guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Hope all of you guys are doing super good today, and I'm actually in my office if you see like a different background. I'm so excited to be sharing with you this stuffed cream spinach salmon. Guys, it is to die for. It's super, first of all, it's super quick. Second of all, it's super easy, and third of all, it's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Come on, easy family recipes. Who doesn't love that? Make sure you like this video and share it as well. Are you ready to make this delicious stuffed cream spinach salmon? Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start with our cream spinach stuffing. In my pan on medium heat, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna give it a mix and let them melt for a little bit. And now we're gonna add our fresh vegetables. I have here chopped garlic, red and yellow bell peppers, finely chopped, and white onions, finely chopped and washed already. And this is about a tablespoon of each. We're gonna add this to the pan. We're gonna mix for a little bit and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until our veggies are nice and soft and translucent. And now we're gonna add 2 cups of fresh spinach pre-washed already. As you guys know, the spinach reduces in size. We're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes as well. Gonna give it a mix. Let this cook for about 3 minutes. And look how delicious our spinach with vegetables are. Alright guys, so let's turn off the stove now. And in my bowl, I add about 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. In blocks, but regular cream cheese is fine as well. Now we're gonna add our spinach mixture. Even if it's hot, it's okay, because what it's gonna do is gonna melt our cream cheese. We're gonna season it with salt to taste, pepper to taste as well, and paprika to taste, about a pinch of each, right? We're gonna mix very well until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Let me just show you guys. Look how delicious. You can actually eat it just like that. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna move on to our salmon. I have here about 3 pounds of salmon and I just cut it into fillets. And now what we're gonna do is just make a hole in the middle of the salmon. As you can see, it's not all the way through. We just want to add our mixture in. Look how delicious. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of our cream spinach. I'm going to do this with the rest of our salmon fillet. And as you can see, look how delicious. I am adding avocado spray or oil spray. That way it doesn't stick, and also it can add some color to our salmon. Now we're going to season each fillet with a pinch of salt, or to your liking. And I'm using this seasoning, lemon pepper. It's so good with seafood. We are adding about half a teaspoon. And also paprika. Alright guys, with our clean hands, we are going to massage this salmon, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. That way it can come nice and tasty. And now we are ready to cook this in the oven at 325 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes, or until our salmon is ready to eat and fully cooked. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add lime juice on top. And I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious cream spinach stuffed salmon.